I'm Avery Fesperman with the Missy Stagers team at MStagers Realty Partners, and I want to invite you to Casino Royale night here at our office on August the 10th from 6 until 9. We're going to have blackjack, roulette, craps, all kinds of fun. Come in and win some prizes. We'll have some snacks, some drinks, and we'd love to see you here at the office. It's 5711 Northwest Parkway, San Antonio 78249, and we're going to put a link below for you to be able to go to Evite and join us. So we hope to see you. Again, that's going to be August 10th from 6 to 9 for Casino Royale night. We hope to see you there.